Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to build a website for free using Codecademy on your laptop. Whether it's for practice, a portfolio, or a personal project, you can start without paying a single dime. So let's jump right into it. First, open a browser and go to codecademy.com. As you can see, I have already logged in into my account. If you haven't already logged in into your account in codecademy.com, simply log in so you can access all the resources on the codecademy.com website. Now, from the top menu, click on the catalog. As you can see here, click on the catalog and simply choose the web development option and look for courses that are free. You will find HTML, CSS and JavaScript courses that doesn't require pro access. As you can see, HTML, CSS and a full stack engineer. This also doesn't take any money from you. Or you can scroll down and you can find other free courses as well here. It takes 2 hours, 29 hours and other different types of courses are here as well. Once your website has been structured and styled, add interactivity using JavaScript. You can simply learn a course from here, that is the HTML course. As you can see here, I have also started this course, and once you are in this, you can simply learn HTML and add other features like JavaScript on your HTML website. Active learning the basics. After learning the basics, try free projects like creating a personal portfolio, a blog page, or a simple interactive site. These projects are excellent for practice and for showing your skills to others. Codecademy allows you to preview your site in the browser as you code, save your work, and you can even host it on platforms like GitHub pages later for free. And that's it. You now know how to build a website for free using Codecademy on your laptop. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and comment what kind of website you will be creating first. Keep coding and building amazing website. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.